In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable ad blocker in Microsoft Edge. Sometimes a website won't load correctly or asks you to turn off your ad blocker. In Edge, the built-in feature that often blocks ads is called tracking prevention. I'll walk you through how to relax it for all sites, or better yet, allow ads only on specific sites you trust, so you can keep most protections while getting pages to work. Start by opening Microsoft Edge. In the top right corner, click the three dots to open the menu. From there, open Settings. In the Settings window, look at the left-hand sidebar and select Privacy, Search, and Services. This is where Edge controls its tracking prevention, which can function like an ad blocker by blocking trackers that many ads rely on. Keeping your place here will make the next adjustments quick and straightforward. In the Tracking Prevention section, you have a few choices. If you want the lightest protection that still allows many sites to show ads, change the setting to Basic. Basic blocks fewer trackers and usually lets most ad-supported pages function as intended. If you need to completely stop Edge's built-in blocking for all websites, you can toggle Tracking Prevention off. Keep in mind that turning it off lowers your privacy and may expose you to more tracking across the web, so only use this if you're comfortable with that trade-off and consider switching it back on when you're done. If you prefer to support only certain sites while keeping protection everywhere else, use Exceptions. Click Exceptions, then add the site's address you want to allow, such as https://www.example.com. Make sure the domain is correct so the exception applies as expected. Adding an exception tells Edge to allow trackers on that specific site, which typically enables ads there without weakening your settings for the rest of the web. You can remove or edit exceptions at any time from the same list if you change your mind. After making changes, refresh the page you were viewing. If the site still doesn't recognize the change, close the tab, open a new one, and load the site again. Also note, if you use a separate ad blocking extension, you'll need to adjust that extension's settings or pause it for the site, since Edge's tracking prevention controls won't override extensions. That's it. You now know how to disable or relax ad blocking in Edge, either globally or just for the sites you trust.